Hayakawa Sumikko Gurashi Gummy Candies. Meiji Joyful Gummies. Doraemon Gummy. Meiji Chohimo Q Super Long Gummy String. Coris Whistle Candy. Fujiya Peko Pop. Bourbon Fettuccine Gummy. Fujiya Anpanman Lollipop. Yaokin Little Gang Popping Candy. Kanro Pur Gummy. Okura Kumamon Candy. Coris Kakigori Shaved Ice Ramune Candies. Ribbon Komori Fruit Candies. Kanro Fruits Rich Candies. Cocoa Chewy Candy. Pine Ichigo Milk Candy. Lion Jyanjyaka Soda Candy. Nobel Super Sour Candy. Classic Guava Hard Candy. Japanese Kit Kat Matcha Green Tea. Kaki. Hi Chew.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.